But I'm really sad. I'm really hurt by this because I keep talking myself out of it, like, no, I don't need it. No, I don't need it. No, I don't need it. Yes, I need it. I need it. You know what? I should be going to speedways.
I gotta tell you something I could do.
If you're new here, how you doing? How are you? My name is Faith, and I got my ice pack just leaking all over my dashboard. I make content surrounding all things faith, family, love, entrepreneurship, and other lifestyle topics that I feel like talking about. Yes, if any of that sounds like your jam, please hit the notification bell and, well, hit the subscription button, subscribe button, then the notification bell, so you are notified every time I drop a video, okay? Thank you. Really appreciate that, okay? Really helps my channel out. Yes. If you are returning, hey sis, thank you for coming back to check on your girl. I really appreciate you for the follow. Okay, cool. I'm gonna go back into work, and I will see y'all after I get off. Good afternoon. I am off. Yes, I am off. And on the way home from work. I don't know why I'm yelling. I'm sorry that I'm yelling. I'm not sure why I'm yelling. But anyways, I'm off and I'm on the way home from work. And your girl is finna go to a gas station and find her chips, okay? Have not had my chips in months. Oh, probably should tell you what my chips are. Did not see them people backing out just now. Almost hit the people. Oh, that would have been ugly, ugly, ugly. So, my favorite chips is what I'm on the hunt for right now today is the Tom's vinegar and salt. Hands down, my favorite chips. Now, they are only in select stores, and it's upsetting to me and my homegirls because I feel like, well, dang, if I cannot go to find my chips, where the heck can I go? You know, where the heck can I go? I did not even see them people. So, because I don't want to get greedy and get crazy, I have decided to only go to one store, and if it's not in that one store, then I can't have them. Now, my mouth is watering just thinking about them. Crazy thing is, though, I saw the chips in the store at a gas station the other day. When we were driving around, I think we were in Orlando. Stopping to get gas. And in the gas station, I saw the chips there. I didn't get them. So my husband cannot stand the smell of them. So he doesn't believe me. So if he ever watch, I don't think he watched my video, which he should be, Mr. Supporter. But anyways, he doesn't believe me. But I really do try to refrain from. I'm gonna try this gas station right here. That's what I'm gonna try first. I really try to refrain from buying the chips because I know that, you know, he absolutely hates the smell of them. He thinks they smell like feet. And while I hate when he says that, I can give him that. They don't smell kind of bad. They smell kind of bad. It's vinegar. Vinegar smells like feet. You know, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. So I can give him that one. So I do really try to refrain. Child, I see it. I see him in the stove, okay? I'm looking at them. I can't even think straight right now. I see Now watch I get in there and it's like one bag and it's like half open or something crazy like that. I just got really excited, y'all. Just got really, really excited. Okay, let me calm down. I'm wearing the mask. And for the most part, if you're not looking at my face, you can't tell. You cannot tell that I'm talking. man, did I just get my hopes up for nothing? Yeah, I just got my hopes up for nothing. So this is the brand, but maybe they have some. They don't have it, y'all. I got stupid excited for nothing. Oh, wait. Okay. They have purple. I don't want pork rinds. They have this really sharp pork rinds, but that's not what I want. That's not what I want. I'm trying to find my chips. My salt and vinegar chips. The Tums. The only one I like. My chips. Do you know where? Do you know a store that has them for sure? Okay, let me check this racetrack first before I really go all the way across the street. They have it! They have it! So I'm home and totally forgot. It was dark in here. I'm sorry, but totally forgot to start recording, but I'm home and I'm cooking dinner and yeah, all of those things. Tonight we are doing baked potato, broccoli, and we're gonna try to do a portobello mushroom steak, grilling and all. Okay, just find the recipe and everything. All right. That is actually really good. These things are soft now. Slightly softer to the touch. I think I put too much salt just now. All right. So what we got here? We got our broccoli. Looking good. Ooh. Oh. Never know how to turn that thing off. Got our potatoes looking good. And we have our mushrooms over here. I don't know. And this is what it looks like. Mushroom steak, broccoli, baked potatoes, and vegan cheese, butter, and sour cream. Gonna try this right on right. had dinner. All that stuff is good. Hopefully I was able to capture all of that. Until I get back to editing, I won't know until I edit. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Make sure y'all check out that mushroom steak, okay? If you also, if you have any other suggestions for other foods, my friend did a fried cauliflower chicken. I'm gonna link my recipe, the recipe that I followed below. But she also she did a fried cauliflower chicken. It's a sweet potato soul. She's another YouTuber, vegan YouTuber. Just bought a cookbook and everything. I'm excited to try some of her things too. But she did the cauliflower chicken, y'all, and that thing looks so good. I gotta find some ranch, because that's what I thought of when I thought about her chicken. But anyways, I'll link both of those down below. Y'all let me know what I can use to any other vegetables that'll mimic meat. I'm trying to just try a variety of things. Hopefully I don't overwhelm myself this week and won't have nothing, and then get burnt out and won't have nothing to do for the following weeks. But anyways, yeah, let me know that down in the comments. Also, if you have a suggestion of any recipes or such and such things, you can also drop all of that down there, or DM me on Instagram, all those different things. But anyways, I'm gonna finish this workout, edit this video, and your girl's going to bed, okay? Because I got work in the morning, okay? And I'm tired. Well, anyways, I love you. Stay blessed and hydrated and all that other stuff. And I will see you in the next video.
It's